Serene. 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 Now that I have your attention, could you please tell me the answer to number by number by number by number by number by number by.
Okay.
Yeah. Watch this one. Yeah. Did I answer your question? Oh, hold on, I have something important to tell you.
You saw your crush, huh?
No.
You fell asleep in class?
No.
No? Let me think. Give me a second. I got this. Wait, did you tell Serene to take her meds today? You know what she gets.
No, I took them, but listen, in class today, there was like, my teacher was rambling, he tried calling my name and... Hello?
I did tell her, but that's not the point. No, man.
Hello?
I feel like
Can you guys hear me? I wanted to say that.
someone's like, always watching.
Come on, man. You've been seeing a lot of horror films lately. You gotta, stop with that. It's gonna mess with your head, bro.
No, dude, I'm serious. Like, if Serene were here, she'd understand.
Okay, fine. You know what? I believe you. Just stop with the horror movies. You get nightmares.
Oh, whatever, bro. It's just...
Go ahead. Oh, straight in, huh? Okay. All right.
Serene.
What do you want now? I took the medication like you wanted me to. I stayed put! Now you've brought me back. Why don't you throw me a little surprise party next time? Maybe I would have liked it a little bit better.
Did you tell Serene to take? You know what she gets. Did you tell Serene to take the meds today? You know what she gets.
I feel like someone's like always watching. I feel like someone's like always watching. If Serene were here, she'd understand. She'd understand. If Serene were here, she'd understand. She just wouldn't listen. What did she think was gonna happen?
I don't know. I just really want her back, you know? I really want her to come back.
Guys, what are you saying right here? I'm right here, just please help